In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your initial Xero fixed assets settings. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you have access to the organization where you want to manage fixed assets. Fixed assets are things like vehicles, machinery, computers, or furniture that your business uses over time, not items you buy and sell. Setting this up correctly now will save you a lot of time and confusion later. From your Xero dashboard, start by going to the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Look for the Accounting menu. Click on Accounting to open the drop-down list of options related to your accounts and reports. This is where Xero groups all the tools you use to manage your financial information. In that Accounting menu, find and click on Fixed Assets. This takes you into Xero's Fixed Assets area, where you'll later be able to see and manage all the assets you add, track depreciation, and run reports. For now, we're focusing on the initial setup. Once you're on the Fixed Assets page, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, usually indicating more options or a menu. Click on those 3 dots. This is a common place in Xero, where additional settings and configuration options are stored. From the small menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you into the Fixed Asset Settings section, where you can define how different types of assets are handled in your accounts. It's important to get these settings right so your reports are accurate. Inside the settings area, you'll see a tab or section for asset types. Asset types are templates that tell Xero how to treat different kinds of assets. To create your first one, click on New Asset Type. This will open a new page or panel where you can enter the details for that type. Now, fill in the details for your new asset type. Give it a clear descriptive name like office equipment or motor vehicles, so you and your team will easily recognize it later. Choose the appropriate accounts for the asset's cost and for accumulated depreciation, and set the depreciation method and useful life according to your accounting policies or your accountant's guidance. Take a moment to double check these choices because they will be used every time you add an asset under this type. When you're happy with all the information you've entered, scroll down if needed and click on Save. Xero will store this new asset type, and you'll be able to use it whenever you add a new fixed asset, helping you keep your records consistent and accurate from day one.